Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today I am going to be showing you guys do's and don'ts of lipstick. Now there is a few that I do on this channel, so please don't come at me for that, but yeah, I'm just trying to educate people even though I don't listen to my own tips. So guys, that's all I have to say for this intro. So if you'd like to see the do's and don'ts of lipstick, all you gotta do is keep on watching. So guys, the first misunderstanding that a lot of people have when it comes to matte lipstick is that you can remove it with just a wet wipe. No, you cannot, because you will harm your lips. You will damage your lips. And I personally do not want my lips being damaged because it takes like a really long time to heal. So what you do is grab on some Vaseline, apply that to your lips. Let it rub in to each other. Then go in with your wet wipe and remove everything. It does take a lot more time, but you will come through with it and you wouldn't have lips that are damaged. So guys, the second mistake that you are making is not moisturizing your lips before you put on your lipstick. So what you're going to do is grab on some moisturizer, some Vaseline, anything, lip balm, lip gloss, and hydrate your lip. Hydrate your lip, and once you are done, take this and just clean up everything. Thereafter, go in with a teeny tiny bit more. Go back in the back of your hand, kiss it again and again, 3 times. Thereafter, what you're going to go in with is your lipstick, and you're more than welcome to line. So guys, another misunderstanding is that if you have hyperpigmentation, you don't need foundation to cover it up. Yes, you don't need foundation to cover it up, but what you do need is for you to use a dark enough color to cover it. If you cannot find that color to cover it, by all means, go in with your beauty blender and cover it up. Thereafter, you're more than welcome to use any color that you desire. So here I'm going to be going in with one of the lightest shades that I actually have. So guys, another misconception is that the more product you apply, the darker it's going to get. No, that's not true. The more product you add, the messier it's going to get. So let's demonstrate it. So guys, this is what it actually looks like. Now second coat. Third coat. And that's enough. If you come up closely, have a look. It's all messy. Yes, it was going to dry, but it's going to dry with the dry skin and it's going to crinkle and it's going to make this whole lip area of yours mushy and messy. So that's the bad part. Also, it doesn't dry completely because you just packed one layer upon another. So this is going to take really long to dry rather than... So guys, another misunderstanding is that you don't need a lip liner in order for your lipstick to come out flawless. No, you do need a lip liner. I'm going to show you why. If you don't have a lip liner, that's okay. Go in with a brush like what I do. Otherwise, it's going to make your makeup go everywhere and you're just going to have everything all untidy. So go in with a brush, makes everything smoother. Now what you're going to do is go in with your lipstick because your line is already drawn. So guys, another misunderstanding is that when you eat food, you can always go in and just touch up your lipstick. Yes, you can. By all means, you can. But let me show you what it's going to look like. You're going to look like that. You see me open your mouth? See? So yeah, you're going to look fine for a few hours, but then what's going to happen after that? Everything's going to fall apart. This area here is going to get clamped and it's going to be removed while this area here has got lipstick. So what I want you to do is go in with your Vaseline, carry a moisturizer or a lip balm or something and remove everything. And go back and start your whole process again. So guys, if the center area of your lip or ear is like a little bit sticky, what I want you to do is go in with a lipstick that is very close to the shade that you're wearing. Just rub it in the inner corner. Rub it on your lip. Now you have it easier and now it makes everything a whole lot easier. So guys, that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another amazing video. I'm out, guys.